Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be doing isometric drawing of this machine block. So to do isometric drawing, you use your 30-degree set square. You first draw a horizontal line. Then you take your 30-degree set square. So you take your 30-degree set square. Then you draw it from here. You turn it like this also. Then you draw it. So such that here is 30 and here is 30 degrees. Then you take this and draw the vertical line. Now we will take the biggest dimension of this around this axis and this axis. So the longest dimension here is what? Will be 12 plus 18, which is 30. So we'll measure 30 here. So here is 30. Then along this axis, the longest dimension here is 28. So this is 28. Then the longest here is what? Is 40, obviously, the height. Then now we'll draw this up. We'll draw this to form a rectangular box. So this is where the box ends. So these are the sides 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll measure the distance here, 18. This is 10, 15, then 18 is here. So then we'll join it. Then here is 15, we'll measure 15. This is 10, then 15. Then we'll join it. We'll first use thin lines in drawing everything. Then after we finish, we'll stick in the main outline. Then here is what? Here is 18 also. Here is 10, 15, and 18 is here. So we have here, here, and here. So now we'll measure 6 here. Then here we'll measure 6 downward. Also 6 here. So now we'll join these 2 points as it is in the diagram. Then we'll move in to this 6. Then we'll come down 12. Then we'll move out. And then we'll come down. So now we can thicken out the main outline and put the dimensions. So here is the machine block with its dimensions. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.